go ahead and grab the resistance band. You want to step in the middle of it. Okay, depending on how strong you are, you might want to go one leg or two legs. If you're going two legs, just stand in the middle. If you're going one leg, just put it how she is. Here we go. Step on it in the center of your foot, shoulders back and down, chest up. Now you want to lead with your elbows upward, not with your hands. You want to keep your hands by your side, by your hips. The front knee slightly bent and the back knee slightly bent as well. Look straight. Go ahead, bring it up. You want to come up to 180-degree angle. Okay? Also, you want to keep your wrist straight. You don't want to bend it when you come upward, coach. So keep it nice and solid. There we go. Very nice. Breathe in on the way down. Blow out on the way up. Don't sway back and forth. And you need your shoulders, your elbow, and your hands lined up. You don't want your hands coming out here or too far back. You want it shooting right into your shoulder, the resistance. You want to come up just till your wrists meet your shoulder, 180-degree angle, and you go all the way back down. Keep your elbows also slightly bent, not straight or locked out, with a slight bend so it doesn't put pressure on your elbows.